Hi there, I want to show you all about how to use this thing today. I have a lot of people in class who have a struggle using this thing. I was talking about in the previous tip about making sure that you keep your pencil tips really sharp, because you need to be having the extra length of the graphite along here so that you can do your shading when you're shading onto drawings. And one of my favorite ways of sharpening pencils, because it's quick and easy and it gives a nice long sharpened point, I use one of these. Some people call it an angel because it's got these two little wings up here. It's a pencil angel. So I'm going to show you properly how to use it. This is a mechanical one. You can get electric ones as well. I haven't invested in one of those. They're quite expensive, but I've got this mechanical one that's lasted me for probably 30 years. It's still going. So you can empty this little thing out here anytime. One tip is you don't ever use this sharpener for sharpening charcoal pencils, pastel pencils, or really crumbly pencils like that, because they'll just shatter inside the mechanism in here. You need to use a very sharp blade to sharpen those types of pencils. And also you don't put in here oily pencils like Inktense or really extra waxy pencils like the Pit Pastel, and there's another really oily one, the oily black one, I forget the name of it. Anyway, so anything unusual, don't put in here. Just stick with graphite to sharpen, and this does a beautiful job. Let me show you how. So here's my little pencil sharpener here, and it's got a windy handle here. There's an adjustment here that you can turn to make it change how far it sharpens with that little turning knob there, but I've got it set at the right spot. You can just experiment with that. These two little angel wings here, when you squeeze them together, it opens these little teeth up. So if we squeeze it like that, it opens up the hole so you can get that pencil into it. But there's two steps that you've got to do before you put the pencil into there. Is you've got to bring that out and open up the teeth. So this thing actually slides out. That's on a spring. If I let it go, it'll pull it back in. So that's the mechanism that actually pulls the pencil in for you. You don't have to do anything to push a pencil in on this one. There's some really cheap ones where you do have to press yourself. They don't have a spring mechanism, but I love this one. So you squeeze the wings and pull it out, and you'll be able to get the pencil in there. So this is what I do. I squeeze the wings, pull it out, get the pencil through that hole, and then right through to the rest of it. And then I let the wings go. The teeth are just grabbing there. And this is kind of pulling on the pencil. It's locked in there because it's actually trying to pull the pencil into there. And then all you do is just wind. And you just wind until you hear it start to slip. And then you know it's finished. So this one might take a bit of crunchy winding to start with. You can hear the noise. And you can see that this is starting to squish in here. And now I can feel it slipping because I can almost just use one little finger to get that to go around. It's slipping quite easily, whereas before I had to really kind of crunch it. You can hear it crunching through the wood. So when it's got to that point where this handle slips, you can let go of the teeth and let that slip back in, and you've got a beautifully sharpened pencil with lots of graphite on the end so that you can draw and shade on the side. So there's your tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to come and join us at zenartart.com for more tips, tricks, freebies, free courses, mini courses, and learn to draw and paint classes. Thanks for watching.